I am playing around finally with my dried pressed flowers, and I got these off of Amazon, so I'll link them down below. But I think they're so pretty. I've opened this first one up with the reds and the pinks, and so I'm going to play around with these, but I think they're really, really nice quality. And I'm using these little tweezers here to pick them up, and you can kind of see the back of it there. I mean, just really nice quality. They come packaged and sealed, and I think this is like a little desiccant little square to help keep moisture out, which I think is nice. And then here you have some dried roses still on their stem. And then look at these pretty ones here. Oops. So pretty. And then this one here. So pretty. And they're pretty flat. I mean, some of these still have a little bit of bulk to them. And then this is like a daisy, I guess. Very pretty. And then here's this last one. I don't know what kind of flower that is, but all very dainty. And then this one here as well. So I am going to play around with putting these on some coffee dyed paper, and then I'm going to cover them with some acetate here. So I have this cut down. I'm going to do 3 inches by 4 inches because I think that will be a big enough size for me. So I hope everyone is doing well. I've been doing pretty good. Had a good week at bowling. It's always nice. We are actually in first place. Can you believe it? Well, you probably don't know, but this is my first time bowling in a league. And my other teammate, she used to bowl, but she hasn't bowled in a long time. And then my third teammate, she's a good bowler, but we've slowly improved over the year, which is kind of fun. Might try this here. And then I might put this one on here. And then I might put that in the middle. Maybe I don't need that one. Okay, I kind of like those. Try not to overthink it. And I am going to just put a little bit of glue behind them. And this is coffee dyed paper that I have made a while back. I'll probably also maybe do some specimen cards with these. dried flowers. Now this one is a little more bulky because of the center part of that flower there. And then I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of glue underneath there. And then pick this one up. So I'm just putting a little bit of glue because I'm planning on the acetate kind of holding these in place. So push those down a little bit. So the acetate, you can pretty much get acetate lots of different places. And I got mine on Amazon, but like office supply store. And I'm just using a little bit of ink there so I know where to cut the acetate. And these can just, you can make them into tucks or make them into pockets, really anything. And hopefully the light isn't too, the reflection too bad for you. And then I think what I'm going to do is go over to the sewing machine and sew around the edges. Now this one is just a little bit too short, the acetate, but I'll just trim off the paper after I sew this on. All right, let me go sew these and I'll be right back. All right, I went ahead and made a few of these, so let me show you the results. I am going to cut some of this extra string off of here, thread. I'm obsessed with these. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's the one. And I just love, like, you see the coffee? Hopefully you can see that okay. You can see the coffee staining and blotches and stuff, and I think that just adds a whole lot more interest. And they're secure down here, and then you can journal on the back if you wanted to. And then here's this one. They're so pretty. I love this. And then here's this one. So I had a little greenery, so I added some of the greenery, and I think it's okay that the stitching goes through it. It just gives it a little organic kind of look, if you ask me. And I apologize for the lighting. So I'm holding them up. Hopefully you can see them. Pretty little rows. And then here's some pink flowers. And I like how the greenery goes up there, down here. And then this one, my bobbin ran out of thread, so I kind of had to restitch that there, but that's okay. I really think these are really cool. So these are, except for this one, so I'll make a few more of these. My patrons for April will be getting these, so I'm excited. So you could add a label onto here. You could actually add a label before you put the acetate on there if you want to. Lots of different options, and you can even put maybe some stickers on top of the acetate. So lots of different options, or some lace. I might look at maybe adding a little bit of lace ribbon or trim. That might be fun. yeah, so just a quick little video. Like I said, I've been really impressed with these dried flowers, and I'll link down below where I got them. And I thought the price was fair. I haven't opened these up yet because I don't want to, I want to keep them vacuum sealed until I start to use them. But I think the colors are very pretty. Now, I don't know if these have been dyed or if that's a natural color. They look fairly natural, some of them. But I'll keep you updated as I open these other ones. I have a few other ideas of what I might make with these. So I'm excited to give those a try. But look at, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. All right, well, I just wanted to share that with you all. Hope it gives you some inspiration for using dried flowers if you either do them yourself or if you buy them. And you all have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.